Hey guys, I'm Andre.
I'm Milton.
I'm Tristan.
This is ATV. We're gonna react to the episode 6.
Yeah.
Of
yeah.
RWBY.
6. Volume 6, Chapter 6.
Of RWBY.
Which the last one was... They made it into this weird town. Oh, Neo went with
Oh
Cinder.
yeah, Neo, my babe.
Just a fast recap, I guess. Neo went with Cinder. They
Dead
found
bodies.
this weird farm place. Those dead bodies that were
Dead bodies.
sleeping.
Neo
And
was still cute.
Yang doesn't like being pitied. Weiss isn't sure about going to Atlas anymore. And there's a weird thing in the cellar.
Locked thing in the
Yeah,
cellar. Hopefully we
Locked
get to see what that is.
Push it
Yeah.
out. I wonder what that is.
So we'll
Alright,
get straight into this one, I guess.
Get into it, guys. Come on.
Do it.
Go. Genlock, the new show that's coming out. Go
Oh, by
watch.
Rooster. Yeah,
Watch that one that comes out.
Please pay us.
January 26th. We might not react to that. I don't even know if they're gonna allow people to react to that. That's a pretty high budget series, actually.
The new one?
Yeah, that new show. They have the guy that played the villain in Black Panther.
Really?
He's voicing Michael.
Michael J. Fox?
Tell
Yeah,
us
Michael
in the
J.
comments.
Fox.
Oh.
That's it.
I was about to say, tell me else in the comments.
Yeah, he's gonna be in it. Check out, man. Just so you guys in the comments don't yell at it. Which I knew his name. It's just drawing a blank, but.
No, it's Neo.
Fox.
That's why the hat was around.
How can we don't remember it?
Type in Michael J. Fox.
That's something Canadian.
Think about it. Austin and Singapore are really old.
Yeah. And then ever since the gods were here.
Yeah, whoa.
Michael B. Jordan. I remembered it before I saw it. Yeah, Michael B. Jordan. I was like, Michael J. Michael B. Jordan. Yeah, he's gonna be in it. There's also David. David Tennant is in. Is also in it. Yeah, he's also in it. There's also another person, but I don't know. Yuri Lorenzo? I think yes.
Gather around the campfire.
It's in the campfire song. CAMPFIRSNG song.
Of course, he found the wine.
Storm's cleared up for now.
He's so
We should be
sad.
able to leave by morning.
That's
It's
good.
so sad.
No,
Can I?
I don't have a good
Alexa,
feeling about
please
this place.
play.
Display.
Especially with me around.
Yes.
Are you okay?
Sure. Tell everyone to get some sleep. I'll wake you guys up just before sunrise.
Oh, I didn't put the caption down. This is the only 20-minute long one too.
It's a diary?
The head of this household, Bartleby. Apparently, he and several other families founded this little settlement to try and live on their own. It sounds like it worked. At least, for a spell.
Grim?
Just one of many hardships. Slowed down their farming, made everything harder. It's a shame, really.
But that's not what
He
killed them,
seemed
huh?
like quite the ambitious fellow. Always thinking of new schemes to overcome the odds.
Hey guys,
Oh, what she found?
Crow said we should get some sleep. We're gonna head out early tomorrow.
Thank goodness.
The last thing you'll catch me doing is letting some kid tell me what to do. Get in bed.
And Grouchy of the lady, aren't you?
That might be a fighter.
Why did it turn off so fast?
Damn.
Sure, it's the passage of time.
It's morning.
I wonder what's gonna happen.
Crow, you were supposed to be on watch.
Maybe there's a thing that.
You finished the bottle.
Everyone's so tired, dude.
Why did she scream?
I think something is happening with dreams.
Yeah, something to do with dreams. Like if you sleep,
Maybe she's still in a dream right now.
Close window.
it's Bird Box. Close!
Did you watch Bird Box?
I did.
Because you didn't reference it a lot.
Uncle Crow.
It's Quiet Place.
Come on,
Yeah, I
get
feel
up.
safe. The fireplace over here.
Leave me alone.
Oh, we overslept.
Hit him.
I don't want Hit him with the bottle.
What?
Jesus.
My room!
Oh, right.
Oh, jeez.
Sunrise.
You had 3.
You know, you can talk to me about stuff. Yang too.
Your family.
Let's just get out of here.
The red isn't a reoccurring theme. They have both red capes. And red scarf.
There.
Can we just go back to bed?
If we're all so tired, maybe we should make breakfast?
You wanna
That's
make
true.
it?
Not really.
No one wants to make breakfast. People just always want the breakfast.
Eat brunch.
You guys got the bike ready?
For dinner.
Well, it's done now. So let's hook this thing up.
Alright,
Oh my god. That's bad luck. Like,
You people are just beacons for bad luck, aren't you?
Justin.
just Crow. It's a semblance, right?
Yeah.
They could work out in this
I'm
favor
starting to
too.
think the universe just doesn't want us getting to Atlas.
It's just a flat tire. I'm sure there's a spare.
It's not just that. It's everything. Storms, crashes, monsters. I'm so tired.
Me too. It feels like we're always having to fight to get by.
Yeah. But that's what we signed up for.
We signed up to try and save the world, not just delay the inevitable.
Oh, yeah, this is what you came
Last night, I couldn't stop thinking. Why are we even going to Atlas?
I'm pretty sure there's something that's making them think.
Like, why? What's
I think
what's
a grim is getting into their head.
Maybe that, or they're just in a conflict.
Ice,
Of, like,
we
what's the
have
point of
to.
everything if
Why?
you figure that it's impossible to beat them?
Osmond hid the relics behind giant doors under enormous schools. But how long would it take Salem to find a lamp in the middle of nowhere?
But the Grim might.
They'd find it eventually, sure. But bury it or just throw it down the well, it would take years. It might not even happen in our lifetime.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure
But
they're
we
gonna
could be
say.
done with it now.
I don't think that's how it works. I'm pretty sure the only reason she was able to keep it away from them, or it was she doesn't have it for so long.
No, look at their eyes though.
Yeah, like I said, I'm pretty sure Grim is getting into their head. Or it's like you said, it's a dream thing.
I am
Yeah.
See, everyone's-
really.
It might be. I was thinking that this might be a whole dream actually that is trying to affect her eyes. Got the same as theirs.
Bird Box. Oh no. She's trying to resist. Oh wait, what?
It's just her arm is there. Just it doesn't look like it is.
She's strong-willed.
No.
No, I didn't.
See, everyone's tired and droopy.
Ruby, it's okay.
No, there's something down there. I saw it. It was looking at me.
Is Crow affected too?
I think everyone.
It's just Ruby, huh?
Hey, it's okay. You just said you're tired. There's probably nothing. Now let's go.
What's wrong with you? We can't just leave. We have to go down there. We have to get the lamp back. Oh, what was I
Maybe she's
thinking?
dreaming, or
All
maybe
we
this-
have to do is fix
Yeah, like I
this
said, I don't
trailer.
think they're dreaming.
Hey, farm boy, check the shed for a spare.
I'm not leaving without the lamp.
Yeah, aren't the Grims attracted
I'll
to
go
it?
down with you.
The relics.
Together.
I like how that acting
Yeah.
kind of, it's
Yeah,
kind of funny.
like
Get this
lazy.
stupid
Yeah,
guy.
they acting very
I was gonna
lazy,
fix
so it's
a
kind of
stupid
funny.
tire.
Aren't the Grims like
Where are
really
you
attracted to
going?
the
Where do you
relics?
think?
That's why
Yeah.
they were targeting Ruby.
They're not very attractive. They're slightly, but it's enough to bring them close to it. I bet she's gonna read something about it.
Yeah.
What's
I
happening?
like how everyone's like
Like near the end of the diary, it's gonna start saying about people started getting
really lazy.
Maybe the
tired.
current carried it away.
I started not wanting to do anything.
I don't feel like walking. That's what I'm gonna say probably.
Like it's probably like their energy is getting sapped out from the. They're feeling tired. That's probably why everyone died in their sleep.
I'm tired and have no motivation.
Mm-hmm.
I just want my solution.
Oh.
I did it.
I found my solution.
I was singing a song though.
That was
Oh, come on.
weird
Where is it?
texture.
Turn off your lights and just look for the glow?
Okay.
How are you supposed to see?
Now we just have our guns, right? My husband pointed that out to me.
The other day.
There.
Look at him, he's so lazy.
That's me during my morning shift. For the first hour.
Apathy.
Oh.
Yeah, they was some weird Korean or something.
Guys!
I knew it. Some beasts.
Oh,
That's creepy.
I thought it was one thing, not multiple.
Ruby?
Now they're back to normal.
Yeah. Yo, Ruby can just slay all of them. What do you mean? You're scared. They're like walking zombies, bro.
That's
Rise of
crazy.
the dead. Don't they look creepy like that from like the fourth season?
My weapon feels heavy.
Run! No!
You can't run when they're
It's like taking their energy or something.
Go!
Their strength.
You gotta kill them from afar, I guess.
Maybe they kept them down here because it kept other Grim away.
There's another one.
This way!
Maybe you think that was locked in the basement
Yeah.
was something good.
Yeah,
it's well, because what was in the cellar then? If these are the bad things,
Oh,
either something worse or something better.
Left 4 Dead, guys.
It's why. Why's been the whole time.
Oh, there's a cellar. See?
So it was.
Well, there's a bunch of them, though.
I can't do this. I can't.
Maybe she has something in her sleeve. Technology.
An exit. An
It's
exit.
locked.
I bet Crow's gonna be like, what's up, dudes? This ain't affecting me. I'm already lazy.
I'm always apathetic.
Blake!
Oh Jesus, this looks really bad.
It's fine.
It's fine. Oh my god. It's fine, I'll just lie down here.
Jesus, creepy. Don't worry. This could make like a horror movie.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Blake!
Oh, really? There it is.
Oh my god, she has hockey. Boom!
What just happened?
Silver eyes.
Maybe she has silver eyes.
Lock!
The old lady.
Out of my way!
Maybe that's what got taken.
Oh yeah.
Or maybe they got taken. I don't think they got taken. Like,
Another one. Another
she
one.
says that those help her see, not
No!
that they are her eyes.
Maybe she is. Or no. No.
I don't know, I think maybe.
Ruby. What color are your eyes?
They're the same as mine.
Silver.
You have a family? Friends?
What?
Don't think about them. Think about the people who love you. Focus on the
I think I was right.
way they make
She is she one of them?
Yeah.
focus.
We're not gonna be able to see what happens.
Life is
Ah.
beautiful. It is precious,
Honestly, that's actually one of the most like
and it must
tricky grim to beat.
protected.
Ooh! She can control it! It looks like it.
Sword?
Well, I guess maybe she just taught her how to use it once. I don't think she's like actually controlling it. Though.
Yo, they're fading.
Just turn to dust.
Yeah, shotgun definitely.
We're back in the house?
Or something.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Was that the south?
Uncle Crow, get up!
Hey, get off me. What are you doing here?
We're leaving, you idiots! Come on!
Not yet.
Wow, even Oscar's doing something.
Guessing she wants to.
Yeah, he told him to just.
Go now!
Get on.
Yeah, she's walking.
Oh, see, you know how she was saying this would be a good for fire, to make fire at
Fire.
the beginning? Like the other episode. Oh yeah. Burn.
Now we can leave.
Stop it! Stop! What's wrong with you? What?
Oh.
Jesus
From Zombies.
bro.
I thought you were a professional.
The kids had to handle everything because he was just jamming wrong.
The apathy. They're not strong or ferocious.
They're smart. Good.
They drain your will to go on. Bartleby's estate was hemorrhaging money towards the end. He wanted to cut costs on huntsman protection. But in order to do that, he needed everyone calm. Always.
Oh,
Managed to get 2 away from their pack. Hike back was miserable, but got the bastards in the cellar. Wife thinks I was out sealing the waterway entrance. I'll do it tomorrow and tell her the truth once these things take the edge off of everyone. I'm tired.
The next page proves that he did, but not before the rest of the pack followed their missing pair all the way home. My guess is they made their way beneath the estate through the water tunnels. That Bartleby sealed up the next morning. Bartleby's plan worked.
true.
No one was angry or sad or scared. No one was anything.
So sad.
And then no one was left.
That's sad.
Yeah.
Why is like every town they visit something messed up?
Well, that guy's fault.
I'm sorry for what I said.
She
About
just
getting
threw
out.
that book out too. Whatever.
Yeah, just a guy died
Me too. You
on
can't
a
quit
bad
until the
decision
lamp is
he
safe.
made.
It's not your fault. It was those things.
I should have known. The signs were all there, but I'd never seen an entire settlement withered away like that. I
Shocking is
suppose
movies.
my mind just isn't what it used to be.
Miss Calavera,
You have silver eyes too, don't you?
how do you know so much about the Grimm? And in the tunnels, you knew exactly what to say to make my eyes do that. How?
I'm one of you.
Well, isn't it obvious, girl?
She can show her eyes.
I had silver eyes.
I called that.
But I think
I'm pretty sure.
I think I'm more right because said she had. I think
Someone probably took them.
Where you had the thing?
Because
You guessed it?
Hilton guessed that she had silver eyes, and she's using those goggles to like kind of hide them, or like.
Well, no,
Oh,
not
hide
hide
them.
them. I think she needs them to see properly because something happened to her eyes.
Yeah, same
but
thing.
Andre said that someone probably.
Or
took
she's
her
hiding.
eyes.
She's hiding powers. She's
So-
suppressing her.
But to me, it more seems like someone probably took her eyes.
Yeah,
and
which
she
that
uses
seemed like
those
someone.
to see.
She said she had them, so it seemed like someone might have
So
took
they
her
took her
eyes.
silver eyes and using it like a shotgun.
Yeah, they took her shotgun to make them
Mata.
Makenko shining.
Okay, oh my goodness.
Or they just literally took them so she wouldn't have the powers anymore.
Madara.
That was an interesting episode. It was very.
We finally see Ruby use her powers. Then.
I think it was very much
Yeah.
to also air out people's grievances of like what they want now. To the type of episode, like Yang was getting fed up with the lamp and everything, so it was like, so she was saying stuff about that she wants to
Yeah.
let it go.
It was the kind of thing of just like,
Why it was kind of a fast
Why
way.
so
It was kind of a
not
fast
confident?
and smart way to do it. That to not leave.
and like
on
the
it
thing
so
that they're saying, like
long.
they seem like they're always having to fight and stuff, which hopefully that means something for the future, that it's
Like
not
they-
going to keep
yeah.
being like that.
They
Also-
should- yeah, I want to go back to like that school vibe from the first season.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then there was
Oh,
also
yeah.
there was also what is it called? Like Weiss's of actually going, like, of her feelings of maybe not wanting to go to Atlas.
What's the point of it?
But it's
She's
the
unsure.
thing that they haven't answered about like why are they still going in a way?
Maybe
Are
that's
they
what
gonna
she has in her
are they
mind.
going for the relic again or something? Are
They're going to
help?
go to protect the relic.
She's not sure if they
Okay.
can actually beat
That's
Zayla. I think that's what her doubt is.
Is that they want to get, I'm pretty sure, see the other relic and maybe get it, and also have more protection for it.
Yeah.
Oh, we gotta see in the next episode.
Yeah. Let's go. We're gonna go and see in the next episode. So if you like this episode, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe if you want to catch more of our videos. Comment down below on any series of videos you want to see future.
With that,
That's it. See ya.